Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar yen, this move up is pretty strong. I still think this may be getting close to turning, but I still think it most likely needs to take out the previous high. I still have a target right around 155 before this actually does end up continuing back down. Let's take it down to the weekly where I got my Fibonacci extension projecting off the, well, measuring this last push up and projecting it off the last corrective move. I still think it needs to touch a fib retracement or a fib extension level before it turns. I think it needs to take out the previous high, which is why I think the 78% is probably not going to be the area where this turns. I think it's more likely to go up to the 155 before it actually does make a bigger push to the downside. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it looks like it's already got the end of an ABC correction. It definitely looks like three waves down. It looks like it's trying to make an impulsive up. It looks like this is more likely to go up like I was showing on the weekly time frame, probably at least back up to these previous highs and probably more likely up to that 100% Fibonacci extension level. Taking it down to the weekly time frame, I think there's a good chance this could be the end of a C. I think there's a very good likelihood this is a move up is like a 1, this move down is like a 2, and this is very likely to go up and make a 3, 4, and 5. So with all this information in mind on the higher time frames, I personally am looking for longs in a uptrend. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here just in case it does make a fib bounce and an engulfing move to the downside. But really, to me, it looks more like this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like a 1. I think there's a better chance this move down is like a correction, like a wave 2. I think this is very likely to go up now and make a wave 3. All the higher time frames are definitely pointing up, and I definitely do trade with the trend on my roadmap time frames to the long side at this point. So for me personally, would only be looking for longs right now, and I would only be looking to go long at the end of pullbacks, especially ABC pullbacks, maybe preferably seen on a little bit of a shorter time frame, like the 15 or the 30-minute time frame. So until the higher time frames, my roadmap time frames tell me that this is not an uptrend, I personally am definitely looking for longs on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.